Is Miss Winnie. Today we'll be talking about keeping your environment clean. Do you know that a clean environment can help you achieve a lot? Let's see things it will help us achieve. It promotes good health. It prevents us from contacting diseases and viruses like coronavirus, flus, and other skin infections. Can you help me list 6 more diseases that you can prevent by keeping your environment clean? Alright, I can't wait for your wonderful answers. Ways of keeping our environments clean: by proper disposal of waste, proper use of toilets, provision of waste bins, sweeping and clearing our homes. Now it's your turn to teach me. Tell me how you keep your room clean. You can share your answers with me via my WhatsApp number on the screen. Keep learning to grow your eagle's wing. Bye.